As you already know that the Parliament's winter session came with historic laws. We have discussed the new criminal bills that seek to replace the old colonial era Indian Penal Code, the Code of Criminal Procedure and the Indian Evidence Act, and the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners bill so far. And today on Verdictum, I, Ananya Singh, will be taking you through the Telecommunications Bill of 2023. In a historic move, the bill was passed by the Parliament with the aim of development, expansion and operation of telecommunications services and networks in India. The bill also introduces crucial amendments to the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act. Among the key provisions is the repeal of the age-old statutes such as Indian Telegraph Act of 1885, the Indian Wireless Telegraphy Act of 1933 and the Telegraph Wires Unlawful Possession Act of 1950. The Telecommunications Bill comes as commitment to modernize and streamline the legal framework governing telecommunications, aligning it with the dynamic needs of the digital age. Communications, Electronics and Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, while introducing the bill, emphasized on its importance to achieving digitally inclusive growth and ensuring the overall security of the nation with a legal framework that establishes a robust regulatory system, placing safety and security of telecommunication networks on priority. One of the groundbreaking features of the bill is its stringent measures to curb the fraudulent issuance of SIM cards, due to which number of scams are conducted in the nation. The violations of rules or impersonation to get a SIM card will now attract strict penalties, including 3 years of imprisonment coupled with fine. The legislation also addresses the crimes related to spoofing, which is a trap laid out by scammers to take away or steal sensitive or confidential information from a person by making that person believe that the data is being given legitimately. A simplified procedure for licensing and authorization has also been introduced, streamlining bureaucratic processes through a single window approach. There are also major changes in the allocation of spectrum process, especially to comply with the Supreme Court ruling of 2012, which held that there should be competitive auctioning for distribution of public-owned resources such as spectrum. Since then, spectrums are allocated only through bidding process. In the new bill, the same will be continued, except for specified uses, where spectrum will be allocated on an administrative basis by the government. The new bill also mandates obtaining a prior approval from the central government for providing telecom services, establishing, operating or expanding telecom networks, or possessing radio equipment. Other than this, the government now will have the power to intercept, suspend, assume control of, or oversee any telecom service in cases of public emergency or national security concerns. For dispute resolution, a tiered structure involving an adjudicating officer, a designated committee of appeals, and telecom dispute settlement and appellate tribunal on top has been set up. The bill also extends the territorial application of the bill, with offences committed outside India being covered. In a forward-looking move, Ashwini Vaishnaw has asserted that the bill will play a pivotal role in enhancing India's digital public infrastructure. These were some of the features of the new Telecommunications Bill of 2023. With that, I am Ananya Singh. Thank you for watching Verdictum. Do subscribe to our channel for more such informative content and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android for latest legal news.